This app, Heka, has been developed to share and transfer the science and research knowledge that we know about myrtle rust. Here at Scion is a research institute who has been exploring and monitoring myrtle rust since its arrival here in Aotearoa. There's some really cool features and some engaging activities to help solidify the learnings of what's been shared throughout the app. Something I've had a vision for some time was to use AR to bring ngahere to life.
My students are very keen on everything to do with the te taiao and science, so this type of app brings all those things together for us, and having the option of te reo Māori and English also is able to connect with our tamariki, whether they're in kura kaupapa, whether they're in mainstream classes. Definitely an awesome app to be part of.
I didn't actually know that much about myrtle rust, so it was quite enjoyable to just learn about the fungi that we didn't know that was ripe in our backyards and our ngahere. Going on the app itself, kind of expected it to be like just an essay of what myrtle rust was, but having it as more like a game, it was more interactive.
Our young people are kaitiaki, and so they care about our taiao. This is information I think that not just rangatahi should have, but everybody should have to be aware of.